Today, it's a flight simulator. Tomorrow, it might be an actual aircraft. A training center in Brazzaville, Congo, is proving that technological advancement can happen anywhere, and that all it takes is passion and perseverance. Alibi Gona has a story.
An ordinary building, no more setting, but inside it bears the fruits of ingenuity and hard work. At this technical school in Congo-Brazzaville, aviation enthusiasts are busy building a flight simulator. For the last 2 years, Elite Ongania, an engineer and a pilot, has been striving to bring this ambitious and innovative project to life.
To bring an educational project to the center for us is something very important. Give the opportunity to these students who are here from an idea. They begin to understand what the process of setting up is, to design, to establish a startup and to set up a business. So from the idea, how to turn it into a project. So for us, it is ideal to be able to show these young people that there is the possibility of doing something big.
The materials they use are locally sourced, and part by part, compartments of the simulator are taking shape.
We are recycling some objects to reduce costs and not import this equipment that is expensive. There are some things like advanced integrated circuits that cannot be stuck at the time we order these parts there. Otherwise, more than 90%, as you see, everything is recovered. Everything is brought from the local market and used wisely to get the finished work of a flight simulator that meets the same standards as flight simulators made in other countries.
The institution's goal is clear: to teach these aspiring pilots how to be resourceful and to go beyond their limits.
A few years ago, I did not know how a flight simulator worked. Today, through this project, I know a lot. And here we use pieces that did not really serve much. With this project, we make parts that will serve great things. So I see that there's a big difference. The project builds me intellectually.
The target is to get this flight simulator up and running by 2019. Once operational, it will be Ongania's second simulator. The first was finalized in 2015. Thanks to these two projects by Sim Aerospace, Congo is becoming the hub for civil aviation training in Central Africa.
This project was presented at the last meeting of the Economic Community of Central African States, ECAS. They were surprised. It is what allowed these countries to choose the Congo as the country which will have to host the Academy of the Civil Aviation of Member States of ECAS.
Ongania has been using funds from his own pocket, with the help from some Congolese in the diaspora. Seeking to inspire African youth, he hopes that aircrafts can be built on the continent someday.